comes the train, rolling down the alphabet lane.
Reindeer!
All aboard, come sing with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. A for alligator, snapping wide. B for bear with honey inside. C for cat who likes to play. D for dog who barks all day. For elephant, big and strong. F for frog who sings a song. G for giraffe, so tall and neat. H for horse with happy feet. I for insect buzzing by. J for jellyfish floating high. K for kangaroo who jumps so high. L for lion with a mighty cry. Monkey swinging trees. N for nest up high with bees. O for owl who hoots at night. P for penguin dressed in white. Q for queen bee buzzing loud. R for rabbit fast and proud. S for snake who slides away. T for tiger ready to play. Unicorn shining bright. V for vulture taking flight. W for whale in ocean blue. X for x-ray fish see through. I for yak on mountain high. Z for zebra bye bye bye. Choo choo, our trip is done. Learning letters is so